As an electric saw with a vertically plunging blade, the jigsaw tends to be underappreciated. True, it's not as powerful or fast as a circular saw, and it can be a little tricky to master. Still, savvy carpenters, woodworkers, metalworkers, and even DIYers know to reach for one of these capable tools to make various cutting tasks a breeze. The jigsaw's main purpose is to cut curves, but it can also cut lumber to length with ease and create holes and other shapes in materials such as plywood and plastic. What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best jigsaws you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Jig Saw. Budget-friendly jigsaws often come at the cost of capability and features, but that's not the case with this model from BLACK+DECKER. This corded model features a 5.0 amp motor that produces up to 3,000 strokes per minute via a pressure-sensitive trigger. And with tool-less blade changes, switching U-shaped blades is fast and straightforward. This BLACK+DECKER jigsaw features the brand's curve control, a clearly marked dial that helps users to choose between straight cutting, or no orbit, and maximum orbit for working along curves. While powerful, it did splinter wood in testing because of the wide opening around the blade, and accuracy did prove to be a bit of an issue. When beveled to the max, the saw's power felt sluggish, but that would likely improve with a better quality jigsaw blade. Those points aside, for the price, this is a good saw for beginners to learn with. Number 4. Porter Cable Orbital Jig Saw. Orbital strokes allow jigsaws to work faster and more aggressively, and like a lot of the better saws, this Porter Cable Orbital jigsaw offers 4 settings. Better yet, it doesn't have a premium price tag. Beyond the orbital settings, this saw features a heavy-duty 6-amp motor for hard work and prolonged use. For those long cuts, there's a lock-on switch to hold the trigger in place and act as a cruise control. The over-molded rubberized handle is comfortable, while the large rubberized section on the front of the saw makes for a convenient place for the second hand to guide the saw along cut lines. We liked the variable speed dial mounted on the trigger, but, while performance proved similar to the Makita, the Porter cable is nearly a full pound heavier and a bit bulkier. Also, this jigsaw doesn't come with a work light, dust control, or any additional features. It's a good saw, though fairly bare bones. Number 3. Bosch Jig Saws. This jigsaw stands out among the rest for its rugged durability. The footplate arm will withstand up to 546 lbs of load and raw power to tackle most any job you can throw at it with a top SPM of 3,100. It will also bevel up to 45 degrees and can cut through softwood up to 5 7/8 inches thick. In addition to its great performance, the JS470E has some nice features such as a dust blower, variable speed, tool-less blade changes, and an orbital action with 4 settings to adjust your cut from a slower but better finished cut to faster but rougher cut. The JS470E is also designed not to transfer a lot of vibration to your hands and includes an ambidextrous trigger lock. So, it's comfortable to use for longer periods. Number 2. Makita 18-volt Jigsaw. It's a solid pick for anyone looking for a feature-rich, battery-operated jigsaw. It has a powerful 18 volts LXT motor that will ramp this puppy up to a whopping 3,500 SPM. Luckily, that speed is adjustable like the Porter cable. This saw will make bevel cuts, but it's not advertised exactly what its capabilities are. The XVJ02Z also includes the dynamic duo of having both a dust blower and dual LED work lights. You shouldn't have any issues spotting your cut line with this saw. This jigsaw has 3 different settings on the orbital action, which is slightly less than the usual 4 and is really very light at just 5.8 pounds with the battery. That means it will be easy to maneuver and comfortable to use. Number 1. Dewalt 20 volts Max XR Jigsaw. If you already own another of Dewalt's 20-volt tools, this jigsaw is a very good addition, especially when you buy it as a bare tool. Of all the saws we tested, the grip on this one fit best because it's narrow and felt almost like a drill driver, very comfortable. The max speed of 3,200 strokes per minute was fast enough to blast through wood when set to the max orbital setting, though we did experience some splintering in tests. That somewhat lower speed and vibration, along with the comfy grip, helps stave off hand fatigue. We liked the excellent blade visibility, especially when cutting at 45 degrees, and the blower feature that kept sawdust away from the blade. The tool-less bevel adjustment locks in securely. On the downside, the Dewalt is not vacuum compatible, and it does not have a lock-on button, which would act like a cruise control during longer cuts. Also, while the shoe has detents that lock in at 0, 15, 30, and 45 degrees, Only the 45-degree mark is clearly identified with numbers. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.